Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis with another tip for you today. This is how to work your radio in a 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. An SE R-Line Black Edition is what I'm in today. This is a 2024. I've got capacitive touch over here, and I've got capacitive touch down here for climate control, and I've got gesture control on the radio screen here. You see me wave my hand here, and you see those numbers actually scroll through right there. I've got gesture control on that. I go all the way up to 36 presets and just wave my hand across here and it goes back. That little hand icon right there tells you it's got gesture control. Now I can also hit the menu button here and have this screen. There's that hand again. I can wave my hand in front of it and I've got gesture control for those two pages there. Now to go down with my favorites, I have them right here, and my instrument cluster lighting I can adjust up here as well. I have that. I can swipe through here. These are notifications here, but I swipe to get that away, and then I can move my hand for this guy right here. So I have radio, telephone, navigation. Obviously the car doesn't have navigation on it. This is going to be for wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, when it refers to navigation. So if I tap it, it's going to tell me this vehicle is not equipped with it. So we'll go back here. Now I also have media, app connect, vehicle, sound. Now if I wave my hand across there, there's my climate control. I can touch right there and bring up climate control on the screen. If I want to go cooler from this temperature here, I touch the blue side here. If I want to go warmer, I can hit the red side, just tap there. I also have fan speed right here where I can adjust my fan speed, turn on and off sync for passenger and driver up here where they match. Down below you see that 75 there. It also shows up here. Now I can turn things on and off down below. Down here, climate control shows 75 on both sides. I can tap right here on the blue side, a capacitive touch. Now since it's synced here, it's going to match on both sides here, so it turns down temperature on both sides. I can also tap on that side as a passenger and go back up. I can swipe from red to blue to go cooler, or I can swipe from blue to red to go warmer, just like this, or I can tap. But the quick way to do it is going to be to swipe, of course, right there. 73 is about right. I have my fan speed right here where I can touch and slide, as well as up here on top. I also have max defrost, my rear defroster, and my vent set up here. Now if I tap the vent button here, it changes it, but it also pops up on the screen here where I can cycle through these different vents here. So I have that. There's the sync button as well down here, recirculated air, and of course on the outside I have heated seats on both driver and passenger side. They start on high, then medium, then low, then off, just by tapping, just like that. Different than the knobs. All right, and there's my off button for the climate control. So if I have any questions about this stuff here, I've got two ways to do it. Fan speed up here or down here, and I just tap radio to come back to radio. And there you have it. If you have any questions about this setup, leave them in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions at all, type them in below. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.